we just went way down into the water under there. So Jasper and I are heading into the Burnt Lands Provincial Park, and I keep sinking a whole lot. I didn't think I would need my snowshoes, but now I almost wish I brought them. So Burnt Lands Provincial Park, it's a non-operating park. Very interesting natural feature. I'm gonna get some aerial footage to show you guys. It's pretty neat to see it from above. As we trek through here, I'll give you a few more facts on what the Burnt Lands Provincial Park is and why it's here. So let's head on in. There's some poplars here, a huge stand of poplars. Then down this way, rather young forest, mostly spruce, pine, some juniper. And I'm heading that way. Just gonna follow this old fence line down here. And we get to the section that's an Alvar. Now, you guys are probably wondering what an Alvar is. And well, even if you aren't, I'm gonna tell you anyways. It's an area of land with very, very thin soil, and in some instances no soil, covering limestone. And what that does is it creates a very, for this region anyways, a very unique ecosystem. There are hardly any in Ontario, and not very many in the entire world either. So a very interesting natural feature. Feels like spring. It's fantastic. Finally, so nice to get out. I had a lot of fun this winter. I did a video with my older dog Hunter in a Quincy. We spent one night in a Quincy, which is like an igloo, just built a bit differently. Got out one night with Jasper, just doing some cold camping. A couple times up at the cottage. Lots of hikes and stuff, but this is the first time I actually get out when it's not in the minuses. It's plus 10 degrees Celsius today and just absolutely beautiful. Let's check it out over here. There's some evidence of the spring melt. Big pool of water. Jasper's gonna check it out. Okay, come on, we're going this way. Sounds very wet. Hey, your feet getting wet? So I don't think we're going to make it very far in. There's a good layer of water just about everywhere. All you have to do is watch Jasper walking and you can see it. I was also here in the dead of winter, and I'll throw up some footage of that too. It was very different. So right now, a lot of snow, but underneath all that snow, there's a lot of water. It's very wet. This winter, pure white landscape. It was just beautiful. Jasper and I were here right before snowfall. It's too bad we weren't here maybe a day or two after that snow, because the snow just covered all the footsteps, made everything that much prettier. But even when we were here, it was just gorgeous. So yeah, I'll throw up some footage of that and give you a look at what it looks like in the dead of winter as well. All right, I found a spot, nice little island of dry land away from all these wet spots. So we're gonna set up here, send the drone up. Let's take a look. lot of the vegetation here on the Alvar is juniper. It's about the only thing that's growing. You have the odd bit of shrub, a tree here and there, but really not a whole lot. Now what I'd like to do is come back in the summer and show you how much this has changed. It's quite the different, quite a different looking environment. Here's what we're standing on right now. It's all gravelly. You can tell there's just not a whole lot of soil here. More gravel, little brown dog. Pretty much on a gravel bar in the middle of all that water. Oh, let's check this out. Some early season vegetation. Or late season vegetation. Looks like berries that survived winter. Here's a look at some of the limestone and the moss. And Jasper, who loves to just get into every shot I take. Right, Jasper? Yeah? If I'm looking at it, so are you? Now what are you looking at? There's nothing there. It's kind of a neat sounding bird in the distance. Probably hears that, but I don't know if you guys will pick it up. I don't know what kind of bird it is either. Squishy. There's the drone. What a beauty. So much fun to fly around and give you such a great perspective on things. It's pretty awesome. Now, let's send it up. As Montgomery Burns would say, release the drones. I hope you guys enjoyed checking out the Burnt Lands Alvar with me. If you ever get a chance to come and check it out, definitely worth it. I'd say in winter equally as beautiful as summer, but for different reasons, obviously. If you're familiar with the Ottawa area, you're not far from Almont. Beautiful little town, a lot of historic buildings. So come on down. Check it out.